Okay, welcome back guys. With this awesome tutorial, we're on part 4 now. And now we're going to talk about variables, the functions send client message and send client message to all. We're going to talk about colors and quite important, we're going to format strings. So when you have variables, uh, you can have like two kind of variables. No, you have more, but now we're going to use two kind of variables. We're going to declare strings and numbers. So we're going to send a message to a player when he connects. And in the message we're going to say how much players are connected. So when you declare a variable, you have also you will have to use new and then the name or of your variable. So now I'm going to declare new uh, players connected. So this is 0. Even if you do this is always 0. When your game mode gets loaded, is 0. Whatever, it will, oh damn it, it will be 0 always. So if we want to decrease or increase the variable, we have to do something, right? So players connected, it will be the number how much players are connected. So we should choose a good public where this can be increased. So it's easy, you know. Let's go to onPlayer Connect. There it is. And then we can do so when a player connects, we have to actually increase the variable. So we're going to do so players connected plus plus. This will add 1 to player connected. So if you connect, players connected will be 1. If another player connects, it will be 2. If another player connects, it will be 3 and so on. Plus plus you can do it otherwise. You can have like so players connected is players connected plus 1, or you can do players connected plus equals 1. These are, of course, well, yes, I'll choose the easiest way, so plus plus. So you can also do players connected as players connected plus 1. So players connected is the current players connected plus 1. So is this is 0. So players connected is 0 plus 1. So this will be 1 if a player connects, and so on. Then is when another player connects, then this is 1 because it was 1 the previous time. So then it will be 2. And here is like it's like the same. The plus equals is like just so this plus and equals. So players connected is players connected plus 1. That's like the simplest simplified version or of this. So yes, then we have to, when a player disconnects, we have to lower the value. So we're going to players connected minus minus. This is the same like plus plus, but just it decreases by 1. It's simply, and also you can do just like the other like previously, connected is players connected min 1 or players connected is oh no, minus equals 1. These are the, well, yeah, like previously, like the plus plus. But of course I'm going to also use minus minus like plus plus, so yeah, you can choose whatever you want. So now, so yes, when the player connects, plus 1, when it disconnects, minus 1. It will be never under 0, because you can't have minus 1 players, of course. So that's like the most important. Now we have like, so we have this kind of variable. You can also have strings. If you declare a string, you have to also use to oh, damn it. You also have to use new, then string. But that won't work. It's also a number now, so you have to add something. We have to add a let me think. How much the byte of a string, how much bytes the string has, the string maximum has. Actually, the length of the string. So if we do a string with 128, then the string can't be higher than 128 characters. You can of course increase to 256 of whatever, you can 1000, whatever you like, or like 8 over like 2. No, you can use whatever you want, but we're not gonna declare that globally at the moment. We're going to have the string formatting now. When a player connects, we want to show the player how much players are connected. So we have to make a, or actually, no, yes, just so we have to, if we have the function send client message, then you see you have, so the message where the player, where the, well, the player ID where to send to. Then you have to choose a color and then a message. And the message is a string, as you see with those acolytes or the odors, yes, you know. So we have to make a string and format it. So we're gonna declare new a string with maximum, say 128 characters. So then we're going to use the function format. So format. Now you're going to format a string. So the output is going to be this. So our string. So string, format string, and then the length. You can do 128 like this, or you can do size of string. This will return 128. Then we have our message. So we're going to say when a player connects, there are X players connected. So, and then we're going to send our client message to the player ID. So player ID. So this player ID comes from the parameter of onPlayerConnect. So formatting, you saw last time you can format print messages with print format. And you also have to use these %d, %i, or %s. So x will be number, so a decimal. Hola, excuse me. And then we have to so we have to assign it, and that will be players connected, of course. So if you use this players connected, then it will be 0 when you first join. When I join now, no, we have to actually, this must be above. When you connect, it will show the variable players connected in the string there are X players connected. When we first join with nobody in the server, it will show 0 because nobody connected before, and this variable will not be changed. So it will be 0 when you connect. So there are 0 players connected when we join. When a second player join, so first when we join, this will be increased to 1. So players connected will be 1. So when the second player joins, it will show 1 because last time we joined and the players connected variable will get increased by 1. So then the second player will see there are 1 player. I'm going to do like that. There are 1 player connected. So then we have to send our client message. As you saw, we have to use a color. I'm going to this and then our string. So our message. Well, we want to send that message. We formatted that, and when you saw our output is string. So damn it, go away. So we have to send our string to the player. Now the color you can have on the internet or whatever you can so with color picker or something. I'm going to so Google and then color picker. You can use like that, but I'm going to, so if you blah blah blah, then you can use this, so with the hashtag. What the fuck did, oh, whatever. Okay, so now I'm going to use predefined colors because I use them frequently. So I have to go in a script probably. Game modes. Yeah, we have to open this one. Open, open, open. So there we are. So these colors I frequently use. So those are defined. So you have to add them here. So you can color white, black, blue, red, green, purple, yellow, yellow, orange, gray, orange, brown, cyan, pink. So we want. So these are defined. Like so this equals this. That's actually define. You define color invisible to this. So we we're going to use a color for our send client methods. Not yellow, not orange, but we're just gonna use a simple color, and then let's use color. Yeah, what should we use? Color, just color gray. So, okay, that should be it. If we want comments, I'm going to do that later. So now, wait, string format, yes. Um, we go to, well, should we test it first or not? Let's first use like send client message to all. So we can like, you know what? Let's make a stock. I forgot to explain that. So we're going to make a stock and a frequently used one. Stock player name with the parameter player ID. This stock will return. Oh, this stock will return. Damn it! Will return our the player name of player ID. So if we if you use get player name, so from player ID, then a string, then the length. So we're going to use a variable because we have to return it. So we're going to declare a new string. So new player, just gonna use it, new name, and the maximum length of the name. You can choose it, but I'm going to use a predefined variable max player name. This is 24. So max player name is 24. When we have to get the player name of our player ID, and then we have to put it in our name, and the length is size of name, so 24, and then we have to return it, so return name, so return our name. This will be work, yes. So if you understand, so we're making a stock player name, player ID, it will return out the name. We first declare a string with maximum length of max player name or 24. Then we use the function get player name of, so the function that's from sump, yes, it's default. Then we so get the player name of our player ID, so the parameter. Then we're going to store it in our name, so in the string, and then just the length, and then we're going to return the name. So if you go back, and yeah, so on player connect, we're going to format it again. So format string, we're going to use the same string, damn it, string, size of string, so 128, and then welcome to x, welcome to, no, welcome to the test server. Just gonna say x has joined the test server. So we're formatting it again. X will be the name of the player, so it will be a string, so the format is %s. Can do like the G of join. And then we're going to use our stock, so we have to assign something to the string and the string. We have to assign something to the string and the string. So with player name, as I said, it returns the name of the player, so we're going to use that. So if you do player name, and then we want our name or of our player ID, so of our parameter, so player ID, then close it, semicolon, and then we're going to send a client message to everyone, to everyone in the server. Of course, we have to use a color again, so color green. We're going to use green, and then our string. So we don't have to add like two strings. So two string 2, I mean, then same, and then so change this one, change these. You don't have to use that because it's the waste of memory, I guess, and besides it's easier. So if you have a string, this string, if you declare it, is empty. Then you're going to format the string, so actually assign it with this. So with the player name, that's going to be shown here, and then you're going to send the client message, send this message to everyone in the server. So with the player name, that's shown here. But then we're going to format our string again. So it will be like huh, no. Uh, okay, that were my parents. Sorry for the interruption. So where were we? So it formats the string into the string, and this will be like replaced. Yes, that's it. We're going to, what should we do next? We're not going to test it yet. Da, da, da. We're going to format as, ah yes, we can do it like this also. So under onPlayer connect, we're going to have a new string, same like onPlayer connect, and we're going to format our string also. And now we're going to send to everyone a leave message. Oh, whoa, damn it, no. So L, the L from leave and the G from join. So then you can, so our player name, a string, has left the test server. Then same like on player connect, using our stock, it will return our player name, and then send client message to all color red. Yes, you're going to use the color red and then our string. So this string with our player name is going to be here. So send client message to all. Um, we're going to dun 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 dun. What should we do next? So we had these ones. Let's compile that. You have errors. What did I do? What did I? Ah, semicolon. Yes, not a double point. So we're going to test that. Let's go to desktop, our map, and delete this one. Then run our server. Yes, we have. Yes, we did. So back to our client and our test server. Now you will see whatever it did. Ah, yeah, sorry about that interruption. Damn it, seriously. Parmesan are annoying. Always, always. Well, not always. San Andreas multiplayer. Bitches. So we have our. So you see, we have our send client message to all with our. So we formatted the string with G, and then %s has joined the server, and we assigned the player name of the player D into the %s. So my name is Michael at Belgium, and then it says, so our players connected. There are 0 players connected. Well, you know, of course. Well, now the variable players connected is 1. If another player joins, it will say there are 1 player connected, and that's me. And then it says, yeah, this is default. So yes, going to quit that. So now, as you saw, so player ID, the parameter of onPlayer connected, we have player ID 0. So this will the player ID is 0. This is 0. So we're going to so a player name of ID 0 if you're going to a stock. So player name of 0. So player ID 0. Then so we're just going so a new variable blah blah blah. Then we get our player name of player ID 0. Then we store it in the name. Then we return it. And that's how it shows Michael at Belgium. We didn't saw the leave message because there's only one player online and that's me. You can so if we had so yes we had going to delete those again. We had those print messages. We're going to debug some more. So if we player ID player ID 0 is connected. So that was my ID. Now we're going to say the name. So player D, the name is a string, so %s. Then we're just going to do this. So player ID, so player, then the name, then the ID is connected. So player ID, no, first the name. So we're going to use our stock again, player name of player ID, and then just the player ID. So this will send player Michael Belgium 0 is connected. And then we can use total players connected, then double point, and then a number, so a decimal. Then we have to use our players connected variable. So this is the name, the ID of the name of the player, the ID of the player, and then the total players connected. This will be 1 when we join. Then we can do like here also. I'm going to edit that. So player, same like on player connect. So player or player name and then ID left. Then again total players connected with player left with reason. This reason is a number if you remember. It doesn't have the these. So yes. Left with reason that, and then again total player connected d decimal, so our thing again players connected, and then compile. No, did I players? Yes. So wait, I forgot something. Yes, our name, player name of our player ID. Compile. So yeah, that should do it. So we're going to test it again. Some server, join it. Oh, connect. Our debug is enabled, so the define debug is not commented. So we're ready to go. Let's debug that shit. Oh, it's so hot outside. Yes, okay. Off topic. There we go. So if you see now, it says the default join message of SAMP and then our join message, our debug message. So player Michael Belgium 0 is connected to auto player connected to 1. So that's right, right? Okay. Uh, if we leave, uh, leave please, yes. Quit. Boom. Then we see player Michael Belgium left with reason 1. I'm going to explain it later and then so 0. So yeah, that's it for now, I guess. Let me see again. What else can we do? Dun, 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 dun. No, okay, that's it, I guess. So thanks guys for watching, and what the fuck is this? Okay, so thanks guys for watching, and I see you next.